friends, in this video we will be discussing one important topic for UGC NET examination, that is teaching aptitude. Why this topic is important? Because you will get at least 5 to 6 questions from this particular topic. So this topic is extremely important. In this video we will be discussing the concept of teaching, the objectives of teaching and the levels of teaching. Education is a powerful tool for social transformation, personal transformation, and cultural transformation. For this, a teacher is a vital component. Teaching is an activity that causes the learner to gain knowledge and skill. So, teaching is extremely important. A good teacher always explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher inspires. To become a great teacher, you need to have subject knowledge and discipline. Teaching is an activity which comprises the learner and a teacher. The most important challenge of teaching is to make this process an enjoyable one. Teaching is an interactive process. As you know that to develop good rapport or good relationship with the students, the teacher should impress the students with her knowledge and skill. The teacher should always help the student to learn knowledge. Teaching is a dynamic process. The overall development of the student is the primary duty of the teacher. For this, the teacher should help the student to understand the weakness and strength of teaching and learning. What are all the problems faced by this student while learning a particular topic? Teaching is a science as well as art. To become a good teacher and to manage effectively in classroom teaching, a teacher should need technology in teaching, learning the needs of the students and the content mastery, subject knowledge. A teacher should show sensitivity towards the needs and weakness, strength of a student. This sensitivity of the teacher will help the student to have self-realization or to achieve the maximum potential. Now we will move to the objectives of teaching. There is 3 important objectives of teaching. The first, to impart knowledge. Second, to develop skill. And third, to develop desirable behavioral change in a student. Now we will move to the last topic, that is levels of teaching.
Levels of teaching. There are 3 important levels of teaching. First, memory level, that is thoughtless teaching. Second, understanding level, that is thoughtful teaching. And third, reflective level or upper thoughtful level. First, memory level. This is considered to be the first and lowest level of teaching. It is concerned with memory or memorizing the concept. Because of that, it is called thoughtless teaching. In this level of teaching, the role of thinking is ignored. The teacher plays the prominent role. In this level of teaching, the teacher comes with a pre-planned and well-organized material, and she gives this material in a sequential order to the students. But this type of teaching is deficit of insights, and it is just a knowledge giving session. Second, understanding level. This is to help the students to perceive the meaning, grasp the idea, and understand the meaning. This level of teaching is higher than the memory level teaching. At this level of teaching, the teacher explains to the students about the cause and effect relationship of a phenomena, principles, and facts, and teaches them how these principles can be applied in their day-to-day life. In this, teacher plays an active role and she helps the students to understand concepts. This level of teaching is that which is subject centered. Third, reflective level, which is also known as introspective level of teaching. In this, teaching means you are carefully analyzing and thinking something over a period of time. This is the highest level of teaching compared to that of memory level and understanding level of teaching. It makes the students to be able to solve real problems of life. In this, The teacher will give the students a real problematic situation and will motivate the original thinking of the students and develops their creative abilities to solve this particular problem. In this level of teaching, the teacher is democratic and students plays an active role. According to Swami Vivekananda, teacher's success depends on his renunciation of personal gain and service to others. The most important challenge of a teacher to make teaching learning process an enjoyable one. If you like the video, please do give me a thumbs up and comment. Please do subscribe and share. Students, the questions related to this topic is given in the description. Please go through these questions because these questions are asked in the previous years. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you. Stay safe. All the very best for your exams.